What's up, guys? This is your boy Mark with Mark's Kitchen for another episode of the good food cooking. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Today what we're gonna be making is a St. Patrick's Day favorite. We're gonna be making corned beef and cabbage. It's gonna be real nice right there. I'm just in a really festive mood for the holiday today. So you know what? We're gonna cook some corned beef and we're gonna get down Irish style, dude. We got a big slab of meat. We got some cabbage, we got some red potatoes, we got it all. Here's what you need to get started making that corned beef and cabbage. I'm excited because I purchased an Instapot that I am going to use so much, but the first meal that's going in this thing is this corned beef. We're gonna throw the corned beef, we're gonna throw the carrots, we're gonna throw the cabbage, we're gonna throw the seasoning all in this Instapot. We're gonna put all of these ingredients in the pressure cooker for about an hour and a half. This is going to make the meat so good and so tender. To finish it off, the last 5 minutes, drop the cabbage in. This is gonna be real nice. This is gonna be so tasty. Let's start chopping those veggies. We are going to literally put everything in the Instapot, cover it with about 8 cups of water, set it to pressure cook, then we wait. So we're gonna put the lid on this thing, press the pressure cook button, cook for 90 minutes, and we are ready to rock. We're gonna vent this thing. Oh my Lanta. We literally have corned beef juice going everywhere. Ah! Well, that was a complete disaster. Let's take a look inside and see what we're working with. Oh yeah, look at that. We got the cabbage right on top. We'll put this thing back on. Pressure cook for 5 minutes, and then we're ready to eat. Let's get this on a plate. Gosh, that is just a really nice steaming plate of food. Cannot wait to eat this. Let's dive in. All right, look at this bite. We're steaming. We got corned beef rocking and rolling. First bite. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. This is just a perfect comfort meal to have on St. Patrick's Day. So hearty, so good, very simple to make. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of this dish. As always, thank you for tuning in to Mark's Kitchen. And you already know what they say. If you can do it in Mark's Kitchen, you can do it in your kitchen. Hey.